Bravo Mike, red shirt, beard. Westbound Arch Road, westbound Arch Road. Did you fail? Negative. Wrong way, Arch Road. Wrong way, Arch Road traffic. 100 block. Reserve canal block. Reserve canal block. Back in the right lane of travel. An acceleration point. Right behind you. Anybody have any ideas on business? Can we fit a two-wheel drive or a two-wheel rear vehicle? What kind of vehicle is it again? We're coming out of Canal Ball. I'm sorry. Celebration point. Not hard to do. Pretty long truck. Pretty tall. It's a short box truck. Definitely dangerous. I think you can get this vehicle off the road. Corey, where are you at now? R393, R393. 75 carjacking to 6 out in front of Master Coast. What's that going on? I'd like you to update, please. Where are you eastbound? Or have some Burger King eastbound.
Y'all, when I'll call from ASO eastbound. 4,000 block eastbound speeds are about 60 miles an hour.
ASO units 2300 Archer.
Northbound into the new Butler Plaza. Northbound 37 Boulevard.
Okay, good. Locked him in. That's the perfect opportunity in that plaza.
Hey, pulling into the Best Buy. Alright, he's running through the Best Buy Plaza.
Bring up my vehicle also.
Alright, we're back on Archer Road. I am now the lead vehicle. Oh, signal 4 into a ASO K9, still eastbound, place P. Hey, you good?
You can get here in the island. I'm going to check on this red car.
Alright, we are at 35th Boulevard, still eastbound, wrong side of the road, coming up to 34th Street.
Vehicle, pit that truck. Pit that truck.
Trying to get to it. Speed 60 miles an hour.
Do you have any lag at ASO units? I need a ride.
Northbound 34th Street, northbound 34th Street.
Alright, I'm 1388, I'm calling it. Northbound through Meadows Boulevard on 34th Street.
Trying to get up to a pit.
Signal 4, in the wrong lane of traffic. Piccadilly, wrong lane of travel, past Piccadilly. Continuing on. Alright, we're still continuing northbound, passing the Metro Diner.
Guys, we need to stop this now.
Stand by. Okay, so very farther. Attempted pit, we are going through the Metro Diner Plaza. And then on 34, keep wrong. Everybody hold the traffic for a second so we can call it. We're through the parking lot, we're about to come out at 34th Street. Attempted pit, again, coming back out on the 34th Street. Going back southbound on 34th. I need to block up Wind Meadows Boulevard.
They ain't wrong. I ain't blaming the police. They just protecting the people.
I ain't even mad at y'all, cause y'all did y'all job.